Hello, my name is Kim Sauer at SMT Nuremberg. I'm joined today by Henk Biemans from MEK Electronics. Henk, thank you very much for joining us today.
You're welcome.
We're in Germany, in Nuremberg. We had the pleasure of talking to you at Apex a couple of weeks ago in America.
Yep.
But you know, the European market, although there are similarities, there are also huge differences. So tell us a little bit about what you're showing here, and then we'll go on to talk about the market as well after that. So what's new?
Yeah, what's new at this show is we are showing here actually the commercial release of the Spectrebox AOI machine for bottom-up inspection. So this AOI machine doesn't inspect traditionally top-down with the areas of interest on the top side of the PCB, but this machine inspects from the bottom up. It's in a small package, so this unit can go under the existing production line and then inspect specifically wave solder joints and selective solder joints.
So what are the benefits from a bottom-up inspection rather than the traditional methods?
Well, the typically wave solder lines come with the solder joints at the bottom. So when you want to inspect them, you have to either flip them around and inspect them traditionally, or inspect them from the bottom up. The typical problem of the industry is that those units with heavy power components can't be easily flipped. Assemblies up till 15 kilograms. When you flip them around, even if they're not perfectly soldered, components can damage because of the flipping process. So typically customers building such units don't want to use flipping units. So therefore we introduce this solution that can go under an existing line or even under an existing return line of a wave solder system to inspect directly in the line and inside the solder chip.
Okay, so what sort of industries are you addressing with this?
We are basically addressing the industry which is using wave inspection, wave soldering technology, as well as selective. And these are typically the industries that use power components: automotive industry, military industry, medical industry, and we see an increasing demand of power components, and the quality measures there have to be just as good as in SMT area, if not better. So you have to assure that your solder joints and the correct components are mounted. And therefore we have developed this unit, as we considered it as a gap in the market where there is actually no machine available that fits under existing production line.
Okay, and you mentioned some of the industries, the specific industries of automotive and medical, being at a German European show. These are parts of the industry that are very strong, and particularly in Germany as well. Yes. So what's your take on these markets here? How important are they within your strategy and your approach to product development, I suppose? And what are the trends that you're seeing?
Yeah. Well, traditionally we have been doing a lot of installations for wave solder inspection, normally top down. And we got more and more requests from customers that if we could also apply the same technology bottom up. So we have developed this further. The algorithms, the software we already have. So we only had to build the hardware for this typical application, and now we have brought it to market in a simple, cost-effective box, which we call the Spectrebox. And well, the idea has pretty well received. We see a lot of interest from customers globally, because of the nature of the industry, the German market is probably leading on this, as the wave solder inspection is something which is usually in addition to SMT inspection. So not so many customers are ready for it, but the new quality measures in the automotive industry simply require a more tight quality system than before.
Okay, so very strong markets with a positive outlook.
Yeah.
Great. Well, lots of new challenges ahead, but all sounding very good. Thank you very much once again for your time, and I look forward to talking to you at the one of the next shows, wherever we will find ourselves.
Thank you for the interview. Okay, thank you.